everyone. This is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I am about to make my most favorite Jets Pizza Copycat. That's what I call it because it tastes that good to me, no joke, okay? So what I did, I like to do double serving of my mixes. You don't have to. You can do just one serving. You can do this even if you have the meal kit, okay? So I've got a double serving of the Garlicaholic bread mix. I'm gonna add a half a cup of egg whites, a quarter cup of Greek yogurt. I'm going to mix it, and what I've got in the Dash Express is sauteed peppers, onions, and mushrooms. I love peppers, onions, and mushrooms, my favorite thing. And if I don't mix the toppings in with the pizza, what's gonna happen is they'll fall all over the place. So this is the best way to make a pizza, guys, so watch me. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dump the mix all in here, okay? And you might not get this to close, and it doesn't have to. It's still gonna cook on both sides. You can spread it out like this, or if you're at home, you can take your fingers and dip them, and this works like way better, and then just spread it out like that. See what I'm doing? And then it makes it real nice and even. We're gonna close this and give it about 3 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this hasn't even been 3 minutes. This has been about 1.5 minutes. See how nice that cooks when you do a double serving? Now what I'm gonna do is try to get all the toppings in with it. Flipping this is probably the hardest thing, but it's doable. So here we go. Whoops, and I spilled a little, no big deal. You can always just scoop it up, especially when your counter is nice and clean. I hate wasting, everybody knows that about me. So now what I'm gonna do, and I love when the vegetables are nice and crispy like that. I love sauteed vegetables. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take, this is Aldi's turkey pepperoni. Wait, first what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna put pizza sauce all over it. This is so good, guys. I cannot emphasize how delicious this is. Like if you have this, you're not gonna crave everybody eating Jets Pizza at your house. They can have all their Jets Pizza and you'll have this and we're all good. Now I'm gonna do the toppings. I like to do the toppings. I like to put the pepperoni and then the cheese because then all the pepperoni stays where it needs to. And this pepperoni is the Aldi turkey pepperoni. And I love it because it's only 70 calories and you get like 16 of these for 70 calories. Now I'm gonna sprinkle all my cheese. And you could even put more cheese if you want. If you like it like really cheesy, but remember, cheese is kind of high in calories, and for some people it'll bind you up, so be careful with that. And then I put some bacon bits. Look at this pizza, guys. Take a side view of it. Look how deep it is. Look how huge it is. And you can eat this and lose weight. So why would you do anything different? We're gonna close it. Again, it won't close all the way, but it doesn't matter because it's gonna cook, okay? So what if it doesn't close all the way? You just give that a minute for the cheese to melt, and then my favorite thing to do is to top it with Parmesan cheese, red pepper flakes, and even a little bit of garlic. I just love, so I mean, it's got garlic in the bread, but if you do this to it, it just takes it to a whole nother level of eating pizza. Okay, I wanna wait for this to melt just for a second, and I'm gonna show you guys how delicious it is and what it looks like and how big it is. I'm gonna put it on a plate for you so you can see. And here goes nothing. Ooh. It's pretty much melted. See that? It gets nice and crispy up top, and you can put it in longer. I wanna show you with a fork. I wanna show you how big this thing is. Look at that. Look at that, I can't get it all. That's one bite. That's one bite that I'm gonna give a customer right now. Okay? And I'm gonna put the rest in here. I'll share more with you, sweetie, because there's no way I'm gonna be able to eat this whole thing. And here we go. And there's my pizza, guys. I'm telling you, this will fill you up. Like I said, just like a teenager who can eat an entire Little Caesars pizza, I have an appetite. I can eat this whole thing, but I'm gonna lose weight instead of gain it. Okay, guys? And it's just so healthy for you. I can go on and on. You guys know us. You know our company. You know what we do. So you're already sold on that. But this is just a different thing that you guys can do to satisfy your cravings so that you don't cheat. Okay, guys, this is the best part. Oh, see, this is how you can get your cheese without adding so many calories. Red pepper flakes, oh my goodness. My favorite, some garlic, and I love salt. I am a saltaholic. There we go. Now it's perfect for me. Now what I'm gonna do is probably dip it in ranch dressing and eat it too. Okay, guys, we love you. Thank you for watching. Come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. You can find us on all social medias, Healthy Treats Market. But be sure to go to the website, healthytreatsmarket.com, and look at our recipe book. You can shop online there. You can see the cafe menu there and so much more. Thanks for watching. God bless you.